Finally made it to New York. I have not been in New York for a long time. If you don't know, I used to live in New York like in my early 20s, probably late teen, early 20s. I used to live in New York for a while. I lived in Brooklyn. So yeah, and I normally come back often, but I haven't been here as often. But it's nice to be back. Just stopped at Panera Bread and had something to eat, some lunch. You know, if you're from Jamaican food, I just wanted a sandwich, something simple, fast, easy, and filling. You know, nothing fancy, just yeah, to bridge the gap. So yeah, let's see what we're gonna get into. I don't know what adventures we have planned for these 2 days. I'm only here for 2 days and I'll be back home. So relax, sit back, and enjoy this vlog. It is called the Red Dot Trail and it has these little dots that takes you up to the lookout point. That's beautiful. It is so nice up here, so nice and cool, windy. Getting a little rest before I have to try to go back where I came from. So this is my little reward. It was a deep trail. Oh wow. Visiting the Poconos and it is beautiful. Like the house is set up high, so it feels like you're in a tree house. It's a bit chilly. I'm gonna go outside. Well, not, it's cool, not chilly. It's very peaceful here, like so serene. You're hearing the birds. Can you just imagine just lounging out here, relaxing, reading a book, painting? Oh my, I don't know. I feel like I want to come here for a week, a whole week, to really enjoy it. I'm only here for like a few days, so yeah. I love how they did this deck. It's like a full deck, but in the middle, they created like a shelter. It's not a shelter, but an enclosed space. An enclosed space, and then there's a little piece of deck on the other side. But tell me you're not getting treehouse vibes from this. Oh my. There is here, beer, all kind of stuff. It's like you have your own little forest behind you. I don't even think the camera is capturing this beautiful space. flats and the Poconos.
Yeah.
So they even have like a food truck situation going on here, which is neat. We're in the Adidas store. I was looking for a windbreaker, but I don't really see any that I like. Oh, I like these shorts. I might get one of these. But they have this blue one, and I wanted something a little bit more funky.